Hare Krishna. This is the sloka recording test for my Bhakti Vedanta module 2, sloka test number 7. Samasitaye padapallavaplabam mahat padam punya yaso murare bhavamudir vatsa padam param padam 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 yad vipadam notesam. For those who have accepted the boat of the lotus feet of the Lord, who is the shelter of the cosmic manifestation, and who is also known as Murari, the enemy of the Mura demon. The ocean of the material world is like the water contained in the footprint of a cup. Their goal is Parampadam, Vaikuntha, the place where there are no miseries, but not the place where there are danger at every step. बर्हापीडं नटवरवपो कर्णयो कर्णिकारम् बर्हापीडं नटवरवपो कर्णयो कर्णिकारम् बिभ्रादभास कनककपिशं वैजयन्ती च मालम् रन्ध्रार्वेणोरधरसुधया आपुरयन् गोपवृन्दे रन्ध्रार्वेणोरधरसुधया आपुरयन् गोपवृन्दे बृन्दारण्यं सपदरमणं प्राविशात् गीतकीर्तिः बृन्दारण्यं स्वपदरमणं प्राविशात् गीतकीर्तिः. Wearing peacock feather ornament upon his head, blue karnikara flowers on his ear, yellow garment as brilliant as gold, and the Baijanti mala around the neck, Lord Krishna exhibited his transcendental form as the greatest of the dancers when he entered into the forest of the Vrindavan, beautifying it with the footprints of his lotus feet. He filled the whole of the flute with the sweet nectar of his lips, and the cowherd boys sang his glories. Hantaya madri abala haridasa baryo, Hantaya madri abala haridasa baryo, Yad Rama Krishna charana sparasa pramoda. Manam tanoti swa goganayatayoryat, Manam tanoti swa goganayatayorya, Paniya suyavasa kandar kandamule, Paniya suyavasa kandar kandamule. Of all the devotees, this Govardhan hill is the best. Oh my friend, this hill supplies Krishna and Balarama, along with calves, cows, and his cowherd men, all the kinds of required amenities like water for drinking, very soft grass for the cows, caves for taking shelter during the summer, fruits, flowers, vegetables to quench their hunger. In this way, this Govardhan Hill forest offers respect to the Supreme Personality of Godhead, Lord Krishna. By being touched with the lotus feet of the Krishna and Balarama, Govardhan Hill appears very jubilant. Dik janmana tribrit yattat, dik bratam dik bahugyatam, dik kulam dik kriyadaiksam, bimuksya yetu adocchaje. The Brahmana said, to hell with our threefold birth, our vow of celibacy, and our extensive learning. To hell with our aristocratic background and our expertise in spiritual sacrifice. These are all content because we are inimical to the Supreme Personality of the Godhead, Lord Krishna. Hare Krishna. Thank you.